Greetings, and follow me is a CYRUS CS40, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. And to get started, all you need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, and for me I'm gonna, as an example, use the settings page. So once you have it open and visible on the page, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. You'll get the sound and animation, and that's about it. Now your screenshot has been captured, and it can now be found in the gallery app. So right over here. And there we go, screenshots. So it creates a folder, and there is the image that we have captured. So that is how you would capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.